Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay with gift card on McDonald's app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your McDonald's app right over there, and then go ahead, choose a menu item right over there. Then choose pickup or delivery, add in your location, choose the quantity of your food and confirm, and tap on add to bag. Then tap on add to your bag at the bottom again. There in the checkout section, tap on choose payment afterward. Add the number and all the details as it asks. Go ahead, scroll down and tap on this option of choose payment method. Then now from over here, you're going to go to this add debit or new debit or credit card section. Tap on that, add in the gift card that you have received, a number of that. Add in the gift card number, confirm as the payment method for your particular order, and then go back and it will simply get redeemed right there over there when you confirm and place the order, and you will be able to pay with the gift card of your McDonald's on the app. That is basically how it is. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.